Johnson City, Tennessee. Dr. Wilsie Bishop, Vice President for Health Affairs and Chief Operating Officer at East Tennessee State, will be accepting for Dr. Bach. Dr. Bishop herself is a former recipient of this award. We extend our appreciation to Dr. Bach for his total involvement in all aspects of the Commission's work over the years, and for his longevity as a successful chair of numerous site visit teams. We thank him for outstanding dedication, commitment, and strong support for the work of the Commission, especially his leadership in the development of the current reaffirmation process, while serving as chair of the institution's efforts as part of a pilot project. Our second recipient is Dr. Ronald R. Dowdy, Vice President for Administrative Services and Fiscal Affairs, Bethune-Cookman University, Daytona Beach, Florida. Volunteerism is the key of self-regulation. Self-regulation would be completely ineffective without volunteers like you, Mr. Dowdy. You have given of your time and dedicated yourself to the work of the Commission to sustain the quality of the self-regulatory process, especially in the area of institutional accountability. We thank you for your many years of service and for making this organization stronger and your institutions you have served. Thank you. Dr. Murdish D Green, Assistant to the President, T.A. Lawson State Community College, Birmingham, Alabama. We extend our appreciation to you, Dr. Green, for your many years of service as a chair and member of numerous visiting committees. Your involvement serves as an example to others regarding the importance of self-regulation and the benefits derived from being a part of that professional experience and having a voice in the decision-making process. Thank you very much for your continued dedication. Next, we have my predecessor, Dr. John M. Hilton, President Emeritus of Delta State University in Cleveland, Mississippi. Dr. Hilbert had an accident recently and is unable to join us. Representing and accepting for him is Dr. Mark Keenan, President of Mississippi State University. For his distinctive leadership during his tenure as member of the Board of Trustees and chair of the board, and his intellectual honesty and integrity in all aspects of the work on the Commission, we thank Dr. Hilbert. We extend our appreciation to him for playing a significant role in sustaining the integrity and credibility of the Commission's decision-making process, and for his commitment and strong support of the work of the Commission. And finally, Dr. L. Steve Thornberg, President of Cleveland Community College, Shelby, North Carolina. Dr. Thornberg, we thank you for your distinguished leadership during your tenure of 2 6-year terms as a member of the Commission of the Board of Trustees and as chair of numerous visiting committees. We extend our appreciation to you for playing a significant role in sustaining the integrity and credibility of the Commission's decision-making process, for your strong advocacy of community colleges, and your total involvement in all aspects of the Commission's work over the years. Dr. Thornberg and all the other recipients of the Meritorious Service Awards truly personify the ideals of the Commission and embody in a singular way the best principles of the Academy and of accreditation. Now it is time to honor the individuals selected for the James T. Rogers Distinguished Leadership Award for visionary leadership and outstanding involvement in all areas of support and activities of the Commission of Colleges. The James T. Rogers Distinguished Leadership Award is the highest public recognition given by the Commission, and it's reserved for extraordinary, distinctive, and effective leadership. It is named for our former executive director, who served the Commission for 20 years, who initiated this award, and who has joined us this morning to celebrate the work of these recipients. We have Dr. Rogers on the stage already. So now our recipient this year is a faithful leader and a diligent worker in the cause of higher education and accreditation. Active in commission affairs for over 15 years, he has distinguished himself in a number of ways in his service to the region's accrediting commission and to our institutions. Most specifically, he is one of only a very few individuals who has been involved in all aspects of this organization. As a commissioner, as a member of the Executive Council, as a member of the Committee on Compliance and Records, as a member and chair of the Appeals Committee, as a witness for the Commission in an appeals case, and as a member of the SACSCOC Nominating Committee. His involvement and as an example and shows us that self-regulatory processes are in good hands under his guardianship of such a capable and sensitive leader. So, Dr. Potts, Dr. David E. Potts, we ask you to come forward to receive the James T. Rogers Distinguished Leadership Award for this year.
I would simply like to thank my colleagues and good friends throughout this audience for your faithful support of the peer review process. In the time of creeping federalism, it is important for us to protect that independence which we've enjoyed as an association. And I would commend all of you your engagement and involvement in ways that protects the process that serves best the students and faculties and friends of higher education across our region. Thank you very much.
Good job. You still got it.
I still have it. Whatever that is.
Thank you all very much.